got nobody to blame but yourself, big dog.
It's all good, bro. We gonna make it work.
Got a lot of people out today. You got Will Heat, you got Manning, Vic. This should be a good little competition.
I say there's levels to it, and it's always different kind of bags. Remember that. It's always down to a sign of trying to get the lowest weight. So we here with Will Heat. He had great races today. He did good on this booster, Gen 2. Tell us about your bike, man.
Just a simple head and cam, drop-in pistons. It's a 2017, regular bolt-on on E85.
And you have multiple bikes as well, right?
Yeah. I got two Gixxer 1000s and another booster that's gonna be turbo.
Yeah, well, your name ring bells all over, man. Especially with your weight and everything, and you just be killing stuff, bro.
275.
275. Still out here crushing stuff. Man, we gonna have to come by, man, and have some interview, man, and show us the rest of your collection, bro.
Awesome. Will do.
Right. Just got word, we got a money race, so stay tuned. We got Samiti and we got LCD's Beamer. So we at the finish line where LCD's BMW is racing Samiti's Gixxer. Drop a comment below. Let's see who's gonna come out on top. Yeah, Samiti, come on, man. What happened, bro? But hey, Alcidi, you did your thing, man. Look at him celebrate. Hold on, I'm about to walk over too.
It shows me in front. It shows me in front. That's why we have videos on bikes. La meta de la That's why we have damn bikes to show. Jesus Christ.
That's what happens sometimes when you bet. Sometimes it goes good, sometimes it doesn't.
He said he was in front. That shit doesn't show he was in front. Yeah, look. Pay attention. Pay attention. What's happening here? He's in front still? He's still in front? He's still in front? Hey, that's a whole bike difference. That's a whole bike difference. It's a confusion. It's a confusion, bro. Él está diciendo que él es inocente.
Pero aquí, cuando llegamos nosotros, nos dijeron, donde está la gente, no es la
Yo lo exacto.
Eso es lo que ustedes no están entendiendo. Él pensó que la meta estaba.
Pero no es el problema de nosotros. Perdió. Él perdió la carrera. Supuestamente así la perdió. Eso no me importa, él perdió. Porque si hubiese sido nosotros, ustedes cogen el dinero. Si hubiese sido ustedes cogen el dinero, Pipo, perdió. Why would I throw away the race? No one that was winning. Pasando el primer bote que estaba adelante. No, vete aquí, mételo aquí. Vete allá. Ok, tú estás para allá, vamos allá. Sí, ok.
I'm still in front.
No, I'm still in front. You're racing. You left. Wait. No, you're going. You're going.
You cannot see my tires. You cannot see my
No, I
tires.
saw the video. I was in this.
He said run it back. It was his man. He said, nah, man, I'll pay him to run the second race. And then he's like, no, I didn't lose. I just came off of it.
But that's a part of but that's a part of racing, right? If you run out again or you let off before the finish line,
Yeah. So Samidi,
nobody
like,
giving a pass for winning money on the line.
But he's like, I
But if
actually
he's
won
running
the race.
Yeah.
I just didn't understand.
Yeah.
Money on the line, you gotta make sure you understand.
Yeah.
I mean, that's just what it is.
So
They don't, like you said, only thing he can do is run it back. If he really think he won, he can win again.
but Samidi was winning. I ain't gonna lie. Samidi was winning.
So it was close.
He was pulling. He was definitely pulling. He just came off of it. Then he just allowed them to come around.
Así de, hey, no podemos luchar con nuestro hermano en una carrera kilo. Mira, mami, súbele la parada. The bike is right there. Get on the bike again.
Mídanlo ahora y corran de nuevo.
Okay.
No se quiere correr.
Ahora, ¿qué pasa? I passed the line before he did. He needs to see that. Hey, I'm willing to run that shit again if you feel that way.
Ya venía la vena adelante. Mira,
Para que te des cuenta.
Mira, pidió en la cámara. Mira, pidió. Ya venía adelante la BMI.
What was that? What gear were you in when you did it? So he's not doing it?
Nah, you know, I told him I already
They ain't never finished. They'll be here all day, having fun, man. Experiencing life, enjoying what they love the most, which is the bikes, man, therapeutic. Hey, this is where it all goes down, man. It's the lifestyle. This is what we bought our bikes for. We run them and let them gears roll. You know what? I probably need to do it be your own people. It be your own people, man. It be your own people. Look at that.